Hey friend, today I'm gonna show you how we can fix the anchor and also how we can take it out as well. That will work. My name is Steven Kang. Let's open the door like this, and then as you can see, I have to take it out like this one by catching it like this. Then out. So I have to bring the ink out. As you can see, this is the inside of a printer letter J20. Then if I want to take it inside, I have to take it again. Then put it here. Then I have to put it here. I have to open the door. After that, I have to cut it like this again. This is where you can cut it. So the process will take place not by force, but slowly and slowly until it is inside. Then I have to close the door. Then now the process will take place. As you are hearing, I have to close the off here like this. Now the process is taking place. Then if I want to send some of the file to the to printer, this is the cable of the printer. As you can see with the cable, then I have to, as you can see, it is on the back uh, of a printer. As you can see, this is the cable. Then I have to fix it like this as well. Then I will come and send the file here in my computer. For example, I have to come to this file. As you can see, I have to click on control V control V. Then as you can see now, this is a place where you can print yours. Or if you click enter again, then your file will come. Or if I want to print something like 2 page, 3 page, as you can see, this now one, to click backspace and type, for example, 3. This is now 3. This is now 3. Or if I want one, I have to type 1 in this box. Then I have to click on it. Okay. Now the process will take place here as well. As you can see, as you can see as well as it is done. Then now you have seen the papers. It has been printed. This is the paper that have been printed. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to share as well.